Hey everybody, welcome back to KLS Vlogs. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to do a leg workout. So let's go. Okay, we're going to start with some squats. So regular squats. Let's go. Oh shit. Okay, now we're going to do some side squats. So we're starting from left first, then the right. 10 on each side. Right? Okay, now some jump squats. Let's go. Now some lunges. Ready? Go. Whew. Okay, now we're going to do some jump lunge. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, shit! Oh. Okay, we have one next exercise. This shit is so hard. I didn't expect it to be this hard. Like for real, I thought I had strong legs, like literally strong legs, but guess I don't. So let's continue. Start with the left foot first. We do some. I don't know what this is called. I just call it leg press. Ready? Set. Go. Woo! Next foot. My foot are wobbling. My foot are literally wobbling right now. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Okay, on to the next one. We're gonna do some try to build our calves. So some toe raises. So 2 foot first. Let's go. Okay, time for one foot at a time. Sing toe raises, but you want 1 foot at a time. My legs are so wobbly. I can barely walk. Okay, let's go. Next foot. Okay, this is the last exercise. Let's go. Okay. Like this. Next foot. Oh! Whew. Yeah, guys, that's the end of my leg workout for today. Okay, no lie, that leg workout really, really took a toll on me. My legs are wobbling while I walk. I didn't expect it to be that hard, like literally. Because it was legs, I think it'd be easy. When I just started, it felt so easy, like not feeling anything. After I went to the second, the third, the fourth exercise, wow. Getting harder and harder and harder. Wow, guys, so thanks for stopping by watching my video. If you see the exercises, what you already do, or what you haven't done already, continue doing it or start doing it, whichever it is. I'm Kevin, this KLS Vlogs. Remember to please like, share, subscribe. Also comment here below what you guys think about my workout. And if ideas or things I can do in my workout, don't be afraid to put it also. And any other video suggestion you like to see, also comment here below. Peace! I'm out.